What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note. Remember once more.
Kaying Kashari Special Judge Poksu, Juwai West Giant Hills District, Hagakat Nyotarik Risau Arjar Pesan, Kalarai Penrem Yau Gentliness Paslen, Hapok Kekindon Sau Jong Poksu Act Arjar Kat Ar, Dakabaset Phatok Shipos Nem, Namar Kajindon Kti Hakabale beijot Yakawe Khynnah Arin, Hakajinja Kabalajia House Nem Arjar Kat Rio. Kani ka jingjia ka day ka bala mitling ba ka jingmudi e jahar da ka kami jong kani ka lanon haga kat waiterik benai ba ningkong arjar kat nrio haka ba kala keno ya uni ubrio uba kerteng u gentliness paslen ba ula le beijot ya ka kun jongka ka barang hinyos na merta hapo ka yeng sa jongki halor kani ka jingjia la register case hapo Juwai police station batla tokit bat chat sheet da ka WPSI RM Suchang Hadian ka jingtian bishar ka yeng ka shri kalarai penrem ya gentliness paslen da ka baset phatok shipos nem haringkat ka kuna ka ba shipo jar tingka batlada siaw ya ka kuna un haban shong tam hapatok sa henriu benai kenti.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.